Why hasn't anyone sold this yet? You can't find it online or offline. The moment I first tasted it, I thought I have to tell you about this. You're making a special sweet that's like a bridge connecting Eastern and Western flavors. Imagine this recipe as a delicious handshake between two cultures. So what makes it different from regular caramel? This secret ingredient, soy sauce. It replaces vanilla extract and adds an amazing twist. First, cut the parchment paper to fit your container where you will pour the caramel. Stick it inside and brush a bit of cooking oil to prevent sticking. I'm not great at cutting pepper either, but if I can do it, of course you can do it. Now put sugar in a frying pan and heat it. Just heads up, you will need 200 grams of sugar, 100 ml of cream, 20 grams of butter, 50 ml of soy sauce. Some people say to stir the sugar, while others say not to. This time, I decided to wait and see what happens. When the sugar starts to bubble, lower the heat so it doesn't burn. Why use brown sugar instead of white? Because that's all I had at home. We're all just lazy home cooks, right? Let's keep it easy. Ignoring brown sugar for shiny white sugar feels like betrayal. Keep moving the pan to prevent the sugar from burning. If it burns, there's no turning back. Your taste buds will notice right away. So let's play it safe and use low heat. Once the sugar thickens and add 100 ml of cream, it will bubble up like crazy. Now turn the heat back on and add 20 grams of butter. Everyone's stove and frying pan are different, so I can't say cook for 5 minutes. If it's too thin, it'll be a caramel sauce, and if it's too thick, it will turn into caramel rock. Find the perfect balance. Add our star ingredient, 50 ml of soy sauce. Any soy sauce will do. If you want a strong flavor, add more. If you prefer a hint of it, just a little will do. You want people to say, what's the flavor? Is that soy sauce? Pour the sauce into the container, sprinkle some salt and sesame seeds, and let it cool. Then place it in the fridge for 2-3 hours. Once it's set, take it out and cut it into pieces the size of your fingertip. Pack it up however you like. I bet dentists will love this recipe. Thank you for watching. Let's celebrate the flavors that bring us together. See you at the dentist. Bye.